Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you haven't been before. My name's Watto, I wander about. That's Kim, say hello Kim.
Hello Kim.
She wanders about as well. Today we're doing a Watto's walk. We don't know how long it's going to be because we're going to make that up as we go along, but we're starting in the lovely village of Arlingham here in Gloucestershire, and we're going to walk out, take a look at the mighty River Severn and see where it takes us. Let's go. We're going to have a little look around this churchyard. It's nice and peaceful at the moment. Can't hear a lot of traffic, which is great. We've just come out for a peaceful walk. So let's have a little nosy about the churchyard first, shall we? Hey, a Kindor. Well, that's not a bad way to start the walk, is it? The Church of St Mary the Virgin. Absolutely beautiful in this nice morning sunshine. It's a lovely, lovely day. The sun's come out. It's a really nice start to the walk. Well, let's carry on up the lane after walking around that lovely church, see what else we can see. Well, that's a load of bullocks. We're just coming up on West End Farm campsite at the end of this lane. It's a nice secluded little spot. Oh, I can smell their breakfast. Public footpath, Severn Way. That's what we want. Surely. They come through the gate and head off along the footpath, which is in fact the Severn Way, or part of the Severn Way, towards the river. So peaceful at the moment along this little track. You can hear a few farm vehicles, but apart from that it's just birds. Really nice part of the walk so far. Just to give you an idea, that is the map of where we are. We parked by the Red Lion pub, as you saw, which is here. We've walked along here so far, we come here and we've come straight across to the edge of the river here. We are probably going to go to the left. Maybe. But it's not bad, is it? Pretty nice. This is quite a famous part of the River Severn. It's known as the Horseshoe. It looks like Tide's out at the moment for us. Obviously River Severn famous for having a very, very high tidal range. I think it's about 45 feet between high tide and low tide. And famously the Severn Bore, as it's called, makes its way up from the start of the estuary and rolls up here, and you can see videos all over YouTube of people surfing the Bore and riding it on kayaks and what have you. I hope to catch that one day, but not happening today because as you can see, there's not a lot of water in it at the moment. Well, I think we've changed our mind and we are actually going to head west down the river to try and show the horseshoe itself. And there's Newnham on Severn is on the opposite bank, so we're going to go that way. It is very peaceful. There's a few birds about and a few mole holes to fall into. But it's very nice. Remember, you are in the countryside, so you've got to respect the gates. As you can see over there's some boats on the opposite bank there, high and dry, and making our way round the horseshoe. And that's the view if we come back up to pick up the top of the ridge again, and we'll walk towards the pub, which is called the Passage at Arlingham, or the Old Passage at Arlingham. Oh, I'm not quite sure what he's doing in that chopper there, but I'm glad I got the drone down in time a few minutes earlier, and we may have had a problem. Oh, shut itself. There's a bit of oil on there. Definitely needs a bit of oil.
We like it squeaking every now and then.
Well, that's one way of swooping into the pub for a spot of lunch, isn't it, on a Saturday afternoon? Well, an impromptu air show going on here. We got helicopters and biplanes and all sorts, and a drone. Just stopped on the banks here by the Old Passage for a little pit stop, little refuel. Fairly peaceful, apart from the planes and helicopters buzzing about. Well, the pub behind us is indeed the Old Passage here at Arlingham, named because this used to be a crossing across the Severn to save driving all the way up into Gloucester and going across, which is the nearest way. This was a Severn crossing here with a ferry, I'm led to believe.
Yeah.
Alright, so coming away from the old pushes now, we're going to walk up the road back to where we parked the car, back in Arlingham village itself. That's fairly easy to see which route we've got to take to get back. That way. You've just seen the distance over there. There's a church where we visited earlier on. Slowly making our way back up this long straight lane back to the village of Arlingham where we parked the car. What we were just saying, we've seen quite a few modes of transport today. We've seen boats, biplane, helicopter, paddleboards, kayaks, the odd car, a tractor. And a horse. Well, I think that's as good a place as any, don't you, to sign off our little walk along a stretch of the Severn Way here in Arlingham in Gloucestershire. Got some lovely views of the horseshoe, haven't we, the Severn Horseshoe, and hopefully some nice aerial shots. So if you've liked it, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because it's free, and we'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.